Hello everybody, so today I'm going to be showing you guys a melted slime that we're going to fix today, but a special activator will do it. So let me get my mixing tool.
Hey, your water shoes? Where's your water shoes?
We're just going to use a popsicle stick that I mostly use for slime. So
In the
yeah.
front yard?
Okay. As you can see, it's very sticky.
What other tennis shoes are you taking?
Reeboks.
Which ones are those?
I'm taking the Converse. Why you gone? I'll buy me another pair of shoes.
Over here? Well, why don't you buy them up there? At Dick's. There's Dick's and there's another place up there.
If that is not working for you, see it's stolen, then add, hold on, wait, I'll show you guys something. Small magic clay.
The moment you realize you didn't really need any color you want.
We want you to feel great about your color choice. That's why we have a paint guarantee. If you don't love it, we'll replace it.
Shop-Lo's with stain-resistant paint starting at $27. Don't breathe better, breathe better. New Natural Bliss Cold Brew. Expertly crafted with 100% Arabica beans and slow steep for 12 long hours. Leaving you with a smooth, never bitter taste. Introducing New Natural Bliss Cold Brew coffee. Stir things up. Just when you thought we eradicated Taco Bell's naked chicken chalupa, it's back.
Model magic clay. If this doesn't really spread, that's okay because you have to use the model magic clay because it makes it clump up together. Because this is one ingredient to make your slime clump up together. Or the other ingredient is shaving cream. But today I don't have shaving cream. I used it on one of my videos. So I'm just gonna keep on mixing. And if you want to add more of your little secret activator, you could add some more of that. So I'm just gonna keep on doing that. And as you can see, the clay is clumping up together. So yeah.
Having the mosquito net only halfway on my legs was awful. And then I got so many ant bites on my feet last night. Ants, mosquitoes.
Okay, so okay, so I'm just gonna start mixing this slime, even though it is still liquid. So I'm just gonna take a clump of clay and start mixing with that.
Hey, tomorrow, remember, be up early. We gotta go to Tyler, and I don't feel like knocking on your door. I got a meeting at Bullard High School at 1 o'clock. Well, shit, what do you think? It takes 3 days to get to Bullard? No, I'm just saying. I
Okay, so as you can see, it's coming together while you'll need it. As you can see, it's coming together. It's getting off of my hands. Okay, so the rest is liquid, but I'm going to show you this part. Okay, so this part is still coming together, but it's slowly cooperating. So yeah, as you can see, it's very light, and it's gonna be like matte. So yeah, but that's how it looks like. It looks very good. So if you just dip your slime into it a little bit more, and then start kneading into it, you'll get to your slime that you would want your texture to be at. So just keep on mixing the slime with the Mortal Magic clay, and it'll work for you very good. And there goes your slime. It is all better now. It might be a little bit lighter than it was the first time, but yeah, it's very stretchy. Sometimes you might rip, but that's okay. You can add lotion, baby oil, What? Cornstarch. There you have it, guys. So, if you guys need some tips on slime, watch my next video for slime tricks or tips. So, bye guys. Peace. Love you.